So for example, Linus was talking about how he doesn't see too much value in code assistants. And it's like, but why? Like, don't people, isn't that a big part of software development? Well, sure. But is that where we would get necessarily the biggest bang from the buck on AI systems? His argument is not necessarily. I agree with that. I think that a big part of the biggest bang for the buck is the analysis of millions of lines of code to identify issues that are latent, that are invisible to humans, that would likely go unnoticed for decades without an AI system that can do that analysis, which is why this is the primary thing, or one of the primary things that Mentor focuses on. Um, Having an AI assist a human with writing code, well, you could do that with me, Taylor. And so one of the things I hope happens in the machine programming space is that more startups come into machine programming, and rather than just sort of looking around and saying, well, we have this available, what happens if we throw this together? What do we get? But instead focus on understanding from the domain of software engineering, what are the actual challenges that should be solved to actually help us be more effective in software development, and then build a system for that problem, not the other way around. Not build a
Hmm.
system and then say, oh, it solves this, and then trying to take that square peg and shove it in the round hole to show that, like, well, this is all it does, so we need to make this fit. And it's like, but that's not what the real problem is, though. And so I think a better way to do it is first to understand what the problems are